Morgan Taylor rose to fame after participating in season 22 of the singing reality show The Voice. Morgan Taylor sings "'Cause I Love You" on The Voice Blind Auditions 2022. Morgan Taylor wants to know if she can get the judges' chairs to turn. Morgan is a singer and guitarist born in Indiana. She started singing at the ripe age of only 2 years old, so she certainly had a head start. Then at 9 she began performing in local musicals. She is a college student as well, studying at Belmont University in Tennessee. Her YouTube channel, including performances of "How Lovely to Be a Woman" from "Bye Bye Birdie" at age 13 and "Over the Rainbow." Morgan is an all-American girl who loves to spend time at the beach in the summer. Here she is at the beach for a family vacation the summer before she turned into a full-time student at Belmont University. She had lived in Indiana with her family until college. She was also singing competitively at an early age, participating in Carmel Fest, an annual Independence Day celebration in Carmel, Indiana. She has received high praise from a singing veteran for her powerful performance. With consistency, the teenager can break the record of album sales in the future. At age 11, Morgan placed second in the Carmel Fest talent competition for 13 to 17 years old. 2 years later, at age 13, she won that age group. Among the songs she covered at such a young age was Adele's "One and Only." Among her Instagram posts are a couple of collaborations with her Belmont roommates, Abby Cates, who was a contestant on The Voice at age 17 in season 15 and made it to the 5 playoffs. She remains to be at a younger age and is working in direction of a greater future in music.